Welcome this video title Crafting Charm, the delight of smart wooden project. Introducing woodworking is a timeless crafting that allow individual to express those creating while create functional and aesthetic please image. While long furniture price and pieces structure often still pure lights those center charm in smart wooden project that should not be overlooked. Their modern craft can be both stunning, bringing and fly for seasoning woodwork. We explored the job and benefit of engineering in smart wooden project, cost effect and low. Woodwork can be a expensive hobby when long cost project requires centrability amount of wood, tool and finish. Some wooden projects, however, often a cost effect allied niche sen those use less material beyond can expand with various wood type without broke the bank. Affect use of scope wood. Wood work often available to support wood from long project. Smart wood project provide the often to transforming those leftover price into something beautiful and functional. Whether it's trend into cost, bookmark, or even shave leftover, not only